आज हम कुछ डिस्कस करेंगे क्वेश्चंस रिगार्डिंग एनिमल डाइवर्सिटी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फाइंड आउट इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट। नंबर 1, एनिमल किंगडम एनिमेलिया इंक्लूड्स both multicellular and unicellular animals. Sponges have cellular level of organization. Ctenophores are exclusively marine animals. Platyhelminths have incomplete alimentary canal. So platyhelminths have incomplete alimentary canal, correct. Ctenophores are exclusively marine animals, correct. Sponges have cellular level of organization, correct. Then first should be the incorrect. That the kingdom Animalia include both multicellular and unicellular animals. If we see the five kingdom classification of Whittaker, the Animalia include only multicellular animals. Unicellular, whether it is a plant or animal, will be classified as the protist. So answer 1 is the correct of this question. Question number 2. Coelomate animals with radial symmetry: Coelentata, Echinodermata, Ctenophora, and all. All animals belonging to these phylums have radial symmetry, but not all are coelomates. So only out of these three, echinoderms are coelomate, although they have radial symmetry. That's why they have been placed in separate groups in classification, phylogenetic classification. They are much closer to the chordates and higher invertebrates. So answer should be the second one. Find out incorrect match. Physalia, Portuguese man of war; Adamsia, sea anemone; Pinnatula, sea fan; and Meandrina, brain coral. So third question, third alternate, Pinnatula is sea pen, not sea fan. So answer should be incorrect match is third one. Pleurobranctia belongs to Echinodermata, Coelentata, Ctenophora, and Mollusca. Pleurobranctia, it is the ctenophore. So answer should be the third one. Question number 5. Find out the incorrect about platyhelminths. Acoelomates, triploblastic animals, correct. Organ level of organization, correct. Dorsal hollow nerve cord. Flame cells help in the osmoregulation. Fourth is correct. So dorsal hollow nerve cord, it is the characteristic coordinate. So third alternate is the incorrect one. Question number 6. Which of the following is dioecious? Nereis, earthworm, leeches, none. Nereis is dioecious. Earthworm, leeches, these are the monoecious. Question number 7. Libellus, a living fossil, belongs to the phylum Arthropoda, king crab. Answer should be the second one. Radula is found in Mollusca, Arthropoda, Hemichordata, Cephalochordata. Radula is the rasping organ of the Mollusca. Question number 9. Which of the following is characterized by A in this phylogenetic tree? So, phylum, symmetry, coelom, and larva. So, A, which divide, which is common in the Coelentata, Ctenophora, and also uh, opposite of that is this one. So, A should be the symmetry, bilateral symmetry, and this one. Although we can see that echinodermata are placed in bilateral symmetry. So, because they are much closer to the deuterostomes as well as coelomates. So, in Coelentata and Ctenophora, these are diploblastic uh, protostomes, although they have radial symmetry. Question number 10. Radial symmetry is found in coelenterate, echinodermata, Ctenophora, all. So you can see one thing, that the alternate of these question and also one of the previous question are the same, but answer is different because radial symmetry is found in all, but coelomate radial symmetry, then echinodermata, and non-coelomate with the radial symmetry, then answer should be the first and third. So as far as this question concerned, the radial symmetry is found in all. Answer should be the fourth one. Question number 11. Which of the following is a freshwater animal? Tinoplana, Spongilla, Aurelia, and comb jelly. So, Tinoplana, it is the ctenophore. Aurelia and comb jellies, these are the Aurelia is again a Coelenterata. Comb jellies, these are the ctenophores. So answer should be the second one, Spongilla. Spongilla is the sponge and it is the freshwater porifer. Question number 12. Which of the following is not an organ system? Circulatory system, excretory system, nervous system, and water canal system. So answer should be the fourth one. Water canal system is found in porifers, which have cellular grade of organization. Brittle star is the common name of Cucumeria, Cucumeria sea cucumber, Echinus, Antedon, and Ophiura. It is the name of Ophiura. Question number 14. Find out incorrect statement about the roundworm. Organ system level of the body organization. Bilateral, symmetrical, triploblastic, and pseudocoelomate animals. Alimentary canal is complete and post-anal tail. So answer should be the fourth one. Post-anal tail is the characteristic of Corday. So answer should be the fourth one. 15th, poison sting is found in trigon, torpedo, tristis, and clarias. Answer is the trigon. So these questions are very much related with the NCERT syllabus, and I think these questions will help you in government college intermediate examination, which will be conducted by the Public Service Commission, and also it will be the basic part of NET examination, because in 2 marks question some basic aspect can be asked. So thank you very much.